what's next on Project C10. We've got a ton of body work to do. I'm going to start off by conquering, I think, is probably the worst piece, is the bed. We've got a bedside, two bedsides that are rust-free, relatively rust-free, but they wave at you all the way down. So there's going to be a lot of beating and banging, hammer and dolly to get everything as straight as possible, and probably a lot of longboarding to get it straight. JD,
yeah,
tell us what we're doing, buddy.
We're wiping down the bed of the truck with the fast edge. Basically stops it from rusting everywhere. So
does it smell good?
It smells great. Yeah, good stuff.
Yep. What we got going on, Drew?
Just doing a little sanding, getting it smooth, ready for primer.
All right, let's keep working. All right, I'm doing a lot of hammer and dolly work. I'm going through just on feel right now, so I can feel the low spots, high spots, and I'm working on getting it even. And there's also some spots where the metal's been stretched, so I got to try to shrink the metal. It's got like an oil can effect to it, and get that fixed. So I get by feel, and then after I'm done with that, I'll put a guide coat on, just spray on like an overspray, and then I'll take a long sanding board and go over and sand it so that guide coat's flat. So when you sand it off, anything that's still black on the panel would be a low spot. And you come in, you hammer and dolly it. I do it for feel first, and then after that, and that way I can hit all the places I've missed. And then once that's done, then you start with the body filler. Hard at work. All right, John, what we got going on?
We are wiping down all the panels that are ready to be primed. Just cleaning all the extra grease and any oil from your hands or anything off so everything sticks real nice and pretty.
All right, I got it hammered and dollied, straight as I think I can get it. So the first coat of body filler on there, I did a skim coat to kind of get it to mesh down into the metal to get a good adhesion. I'll sand this down with 40 grit, and then once that's done, then I can start addressing any low spots or anything like that. But I don't think it's going to be too bad. This side was much better than the other side. We'll see how it turns out. Okay, time to recap on Project C10. We've got a lot of things going on. We're going to divide and conquer. Now that we have everything blasted, torn apart, bag tagged, we've got a lot of cool things that are going to be happening. We got some body work going on. We got some patch panels to put in, tons of dents and things to fix. We've got a chassis that we're going to be mocking up that is going to have all new suspension. We are upgrading the drivetrain, rebuilding things and modifying. So stay tuned. There's a lot of cool things that you're going to want to follow here at Project C10.